Hey y'all, I am here to talk a little bit about a favorite clean skincare brand that I have found that I've completely switched over to. It's called Maya Chia. It's one of the cleanest. I absolutely love it. It's one of the cleanest brands. I just got a brand new delivery that I'm going to unbox for you today. And as you can see, it's clinically driven high performance with a heart. And I strongly encourage you, I'm going to link this below for you to check them out. I found them through, I believe, Vogue, and they were highly rated. And then I followed them on Instagram, and I've gotten to know them. They're a fabulous brand, wonderful, wonderful people. My first order, let me back up just a second. Right now I'm wearing no makeup. Take my glasses off. I'm wearing no makeup. I haven't done my hair or anything. But the reason I've done that is because I have rosacea. And I have this big spot here that if something is not completely clean and natural, my skin will start to scale. I'll get eczema. It'll just start to build. And I, for years, have been struggling with this. The dermatologist has struggled with it. I've had it burned off. It keeps coming back. I've used supposedly natural products, the cleaner ones from from all over, and nothing has worked. But got to put these back on so I can see. But Maya Chia has definitely fixed that for me. As you can see, there's hardly any red or scale left. I've been using it about 3 months now. Let me tell you, show you what exactly I'm using. This is the Super Naked Plum Chia Oil. It's absolutely fabulous. This is one of my favorites. It's called the Great Cleanse, and it is the most beautiful oil that you use to take your makeup off. And the oil rinses off really nice. It doesn't leave you feeling greasy. It leaves your skin soft. And it really does help soften the scale. The other cleanser I use 2 cleansers. The other cleanser is the meringue melt. Oh my gosh. This is fabulous. It has the most wonderful scent, very light. It does not bother my skin in terms of the scent. So for those of you that have sensitive skin or worried about clean skincare, this is it. And I use this after I use my oil sometimes, or I'll use my oil alone, and I'll use this in between. I absolutely love it. And the Super Blend is absolutely the best salve. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely fabulous. It has the most beautiful feel. And I put it on this spot here. Throughout the day, I'll do it a couple times, and then I'll put it all over if I feel I need some extra moisture. Or after I do my facials at home. Absolutely fabulous. Oops. And then, of course, there's that beautiful sound when it turns. Now, here's the unboxing. And I had to replenish the supply, and I got some new stuff. Look at the beautiful box. I can't wait to try this. It's the Refresh Mint. It's a facial. Oh my gosh, let's open it up. Oh, can't wait. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, look at this. Now this isn't as firm. Oh, I'm gonna try it. Put it on. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. Now this is a mask, so I'm gonna go rinse this up. I'm gonna leave it on for a bit. Oh my gosh, that feels fabulous. And it smells just a subtle mint, fresh mint. It's a resurfacing moisture mask. Oh, I can't wait to get into that. Okay. And I got the Optimus Hydrating Brightening Essence. I'm excited about this one too. Oh, gosh. It's a hydrating essence. So it's a spray. It's a mist. There we go. This is so fabulous. Oh, the smell is just wonderful. Very subtle. It's just wonderful. And this is for in between during the day when I just want to feel fresher, or it's like a light toner. So after I wash, oh, that's wonderful. And then, of course, I had to get another meringue melt because I was running out of my meringue melt. So there you have it. Absolutely fabulous products. You have to check them out. Maya Chia. Follow them and check out their products. Definitely start with the meringue melt facial wash. And then also the Great Cleanse Oil. It takes all your makeup off, everything, all over, eyes and everything. Just fabulous. All right, folks. I gotta go do my facial mask.